Hello, my dear students, how are you all? I hope you will fine, and I welcome you to the science class for class 6. And today we are going to learn the remaining thing that we left in the previous class of chapter 4, sorting materials into group. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So, in the previous class, we learned about material. Okay, so what we learned about material, that it is any substance which is used for making and other substances. Okay, any substance which is used for making other objects or substance is called material. Okay, then we saw naturally occurring, which is the material which exists by nature. Those are called naturally material, like wood, stone, then all fruits, then cereals, wheat, rice. Okay, all these things. Then we learned about man-made. So the material which do not exist naturally, those are made by the man, like steel. Okay, like a plastic. Okay, so all these things are man-made. Okay, then important properties of material we learned, like appearance, like luster and non-luster. Okay, so you saw that mostly the metals luster. What do you mean by luster? Luster मतलब क्या, जिस बॉडी से शाइनिंग अपीयरेंस शाइनिंग आता है, दोज आर कॉल्ड लस्टर, और जिसमें से शाइनिंग नहीं आता है वो उसको बोलते हैं नॉन लस्टर. ओके, सो जो भी मेटल होते हैं, मोस्टली एलुमिनियम, कॉपर and brass. Okay, all these things, so those are shining, gold, silver. Okay, all of them have shining, so they are called lustrous substance, lustrous material. And like stone, wood, okay, paper, so these are called non lustrous. Okay, yes. Then hardness, we saw that if we rub two substances, then द मटेरियल हु स्क्रैचेस अदर मटेरियल, जो दूसरे के सरफेस को स्क्रैच कर देता है उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग हार्ड, और जिसका सरफेस स्क्रैच हो जाता है, जिस पे स्क्रैचेस आ जाते हैं, उसको बोलेंगे सॉफ्ट. ओके, यस. सो हार्डनेस, ऐसे हार्डनेस और सॉफ्टनेस हो गया. देन सॉल्युबल एंड इनसॉल्युबल. सो वी सो दैट soluble and solid of solid, then liquids, then gases. So in solid we saw that most of the solids are not soluble in water, like any metal, like sand, stone. They do not they are not soluble in water, but like salt, then sugar, these are some solid which are dissolved, which are soluble in water. Okay, yes. Similarly, we saw that in liquids, so there are some liquid like oil, mostly oils. Okay, kerosene oil, petrol, diesel. Okay, all these things do not dissolve in water, but like lemon juice. Okay, then vinegar, so these are soluble in water. Okay, and those which are soluble, those are called miscible, and those which do not dissolve, which do not or not soluble in water, those are called immiscible. Okay, yes. Then we saw that about gases, some gases do dissolve in water, some gases do not. So like nitrogen, carbon monoxide. Okay, so they do not dissolve in water, but like oxygen and CO2, they dissolve in water. And the oxygen which is dissolved in water, this oxygen is going to be used by the living organism like fish. Okay, and turtles and other animals. And the CO2 which get dissolved in water, that is going to be used by the plant which is inside the water. Okay, yes. Then okay, so today we are going to learn about the float and sink, transparency, and how our material grouped. Okay, yes. So float and sink, what happened, the material who have high density, okay, high density, or whose weight is more than water, okay, whose weight is more than water is they got sink, and those whose weight is not much, those जिसका weight उतना नहीं है वो सिंक होते हैं, okay, like this toy and this, okay, the shape, okay, but you see the nail and the stone, the coins, they get sink, okay. ऐसा क्यों कि ये इतना बड़ा हो के भी ये सिंक फ्लोट हो रहा है, और ये छोटी सी नेल होने के बाद भी ये सिंक हो जा रही है, ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि रीज़न ये है क्योंकि जितना इसका वेट है उतना ही नीचे इसका सरफेस भी बड़ा है, इसका जो नीचे का सरफेस है वो भी इतना बड़ा है, लेकिन ये नेल का इसका सरफेस इतना है, और इस सरफेस के हिसाब से इसका जो वेट है वो ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, और इसका जो नीचे का सरफेस है उसके हिसाब से इसका जो वेट है वो कम है, ठीक है। अगर इसका जो नीचे का सरफेस है वो हम लोग कम कर दें और इसका वेट उतना ही रहने दें, तो फिर ये शायद ये भी बहुत हद तक डूब जाएगा, ठीक है। यस, सो देयर आर सम मटेरियल हुज वेट इज लेस देन वाटर, so the material who has less weight than water, those material float, and those material who has more weight than water, they got sink, okay. Yes, so the material can be grouped into floating and sinking. तो मटेरियल को दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, एक तो वो जो जो फ्लोट कर रहे हैं, और एक वो जो कि सिंक हो जा रहे हैं, ओके। यस, then next is transparency, okay. So in transparency, okay, transparency means the passing of light through any object, passing of light through any object. So there can be three conditions. The first condition will be the light cannot pass, okay, at any amount, of any amount, थोड़ा भी लाइट पास नहीं हो रहा है। दूसरे कंडीशन में लाइट थोड़ा बहुत पास हो रहा है, जैसे कि ये, और तीसरी कंडीशन में लाइट पूरी तरह से पास हो जा रही है, ये साइड से वो साइड, वो साइड से ये साइड, पूरी लाइट आ जा रही है, ठीक है। सो जो ये फर्स्ट कंडीशन है, दिस फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड ओपेक, ओके। सो द सब्सटेंस थ्रू विच लाइट कैनॉट पास थ्रू इट, जिससे लाइट होकर नहीं जा सकती एक पार से दूसरे पार, those will be called as a opaque substance, okay. Yes, and then the substances, okay, and then those substances through which light can pass partially, जिसमें से थोड़ी बहुत लाइट पास हो रही है, those will be called as a translucent, translucent, okay. Okay, so this is translucent, and then this is transparent. Why transparent? Because all the substances through which light can the complete light can pass through it, okay, those substances will be called as a transparent, okay. Yes, and then the property of a material through which you can see clearly is called transparency, okay. Yes, and then the property of a material through which you cannot see is called opacity, okay. Is that clear? Okay, so examples, जैसे कि इसके क्या एग्जाम्पल हैं ओपेक के? सो मोस्ट ऑफ द मेटल्स, solid stone, okay, wood, okay. So all these are all these are opaque. Yes, okay. Yes, then what are the translucent? Like fog, then mist, धुआं, okay, then muddy water, okay, then oiled paper, और एक पेपर लो, उस पर कुछ ऑयल लगाओ और फिर उसमें देखो कुछ कुछ दिखाई देगा वो साइड, ठीक है। यस, देन इन दिस transparent, so in transparent you have a glass, okay, then you have diamond, okay, diamond, then oil like alcohol, then sea water, okay, and all the gases like oxygen, nitrogen, all these things. Okay, yes, so through your gases you can see to it. Okay, yes. So the next thing is how material are grouped. So if you see this chapter from the starting, so we learned that these materials can be grouped by their shape, like rounded shape objects one side, okay, then the square shape objects one side, okay. Then we saw the group of objects by their property like appearance, okay, like property like the hard objects one side, the soft object one side, okay. Then the floating objects one side, then sinking objects one side, okay. Yes, so similarly when you go to grocery shop, so you will find that all edible substance like जो भी हम खाते हैं, जो खाने वाली चीज़ें हैं वो एक साइड रहती हैं, ओके। उसमें भी सब सब्जियां एक साइड रहती हैं, फ्रूट्स आर वन साइड, देन सीरियल्स लाइक ग्रेन, ओके, grains one side, then the pulses like arahar, then moong, then okay, all these things one side, okay, yes. So and you will find that the utensils, okay, जो ये बर्तन है वो एक साइड, okay, yes. So these the material can be grouped by their property, by their appearance, like by their use, okay, yes, and by their other properties, okay, yes. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you so much. You have some question here. So what is called opaque material? So opaque material are those material through which we cannot see anything, okay, we cannot see anything, those are called opaque material. Then transparency, the material through which we can see clearly is called transparency. Then write all important property, okay, like appearance, then hardness, then floating, then sinking, okay, then soluble, insoluble, okay, then the last one was transparency, all these things, okay. Then classify these objects on the basis of sinking and floating. So plastic, it will float, or sand, it will sink, then wood, it will float, then rubber, it will float, gold, it will sink, then balloon, it will float, okay, yes. Then what you learned in today's topic, yes, write with your own. Thank you so much and keep studying.